does the smart thing with a big lead. Just throws the puck into the corner instead of trying to pass. There's a Boyle pass in front of the net for Brown. Didn't click. Filppula to JT Brown. He took the puck up in the air and it's in the net. It fell in the net and it's a 6-2 lead for the Tampa Bay Lightning as the goal light finally comes on.
And what a tip by Brown.
Straight up in the air and in behind Price.
His blocker goes straight up. Gets good positioning in front. Tom Gilbert's got a chance at the puck here, but it goes off of Brown, off of the blocker of Price, and Price isn't even looking around him. He doesn't know where it is. There's the tip, there's the spinning puck, and before Flynn can get back and grab it, it's in the back of the net. Right off that right pad of Price and went straight up.